Ethereum value equivalent to $352.71 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $3.2834 3D 198.43. The earlier day close, 3T 157.04. The change was 4.33 to 14%. Opposite rate, ICE to F. Ethereum estimate for July 2024. To start with, cost at $3,603. Exorbitant cost $44.72, while low cost $3,603. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3D9.64. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,079. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $40.79. Excessive cost $44.47, while low cost $3,865. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $4,162. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $40.56. Change for August 0.6%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $4,156. Exorbitant cost $49.77, while low cost $4,156. The found the middle value of cost $4,485. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,651. Change for September 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $4,651. Exorbitant cost $5,621, while low cost $4,651. The found the middle value of cost $5,044. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,253. Change for October 12.9%. Ethereum gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $5,253. Excessive cost $6,108, while low cost $5,253. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,581. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,708. Change for November 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else, cost at $5,708. Excessive cost $6,202, while low cost $5,390. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,774. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,796. Change for December 1.5%. Ethereum figure for January 2025. Before all else, cost at $5,796. Excessive cost $63.77, while low cost $5,543. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $5,919. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,960. Change for January 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $5,960. Excessive cost $64.41, while low cost $5,599. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,005. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $60.20. Change for February 1.0%. Ethereum conjecture for walk 2025. Before all else, cost at $60.20. Excessive cost $16,646, while low cost $5,776. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,163. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,211. Change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $6,211. Exorbitant cost $16,659, while low cost $5,787. The found the middle value of cost $6,220. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6,223. Change for April's 0.2%. Ethereum estimate for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $6,223. Exorbitant cost $68.35, while low cost $5,941. The found the middle value of cost $6,347. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,388. Change for May 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $6,388. Excessive cost $7,777, while low cost $6,388. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $69.55. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $72.68. Change for June 13.8%. Ethereum conjecture for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $72.68. Excessive cost $78.66, while low cost $68.36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,330. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 7,351. Change for July 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at $7,351. Exorbitant cost $901.24, while low cost $7,351. They found the middle value of cost $8,088. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $8,527. Change for August 16%. Ethereum gauge for September 2025. To start with, cost at $8,527. Exorbitant cost $85.27, while low cost $7,339. They found the middle value of cost $1,871. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,891. Change for September 75%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at $7,891. Exorbitant cost $7,891, while low cost $6,164. They found the middle value of cost $7,144. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $16,628. Change for October 16%. Ethereum estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at $16,628. Exorbitant cost $82.26, while low cost $16,628. They found the middle value of cost $72.93. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $17,688. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $7,688. Excessive cost $7,688, while low cost $6,112. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $7,015. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,572. Change for December 5%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $6,572. Exorbitant cost $6,572, while low cost $5,654. They found the middle value of cost $6,820. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6,080. Change for January 75%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. To start with, cost at $6,080. Exorbitant cost $7,547, while low cost $6,080. They found the middle value of cost $6,690. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $7,053. Change for February 16%. Ethereum estimate for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at $7,053. Excessive cost $7,053, while low cost $5,510. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $6,385. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,925. Change for spring 16%. Us to ETH expectation for April 2025.